Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2016 Optima. Gorgeous looking little Optima, white in color, has a power sunroof, qualifies under the Kia Certified program, signal repeaters in the mirrors, and has aluminum alloy wheels. Car also comes with a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio. Looking inside the car, we have driver's memory seat, 2 positions, power windows, locks, and mirrors, rear cross traffic alert, and a few other functions. This little Optima only has 40,247 kilometers. Pretty low for a 2016. Sirius XM radio showing. Has a backup camera. Dual climate zones. Down below that, auxiliary USB port. A couple of charging ports. Heated leather steering wheel. Heated seats. Up above, a gorgeous panoramic sunroof. Driver's seat is powered. In the back, heated leather seats. Lots of room back here for passengers to drive in comfort. Going around the back of the vehicle. A really large trunk. You can carry suitcases, you can carry some outdoor gear, you can carry kids' sports gear, you can carry some groceries. This is an EX Plus version of the Optima. 2016 Optima with low kilometers is available from West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. We're open Monday to Thursday 9 to 9, Friday, Saturday 9 to 6, and Sundays and most holidays 11 to 5. Best way to make an informed decision as to how well this Optima is going to fit into your lifestyle. Bring the family down, come down and take a test drive.